Good afternoon, everybody. Here, Maria from Elettronika America. Well, I want to share with you uh, something that you may be interested in, or at least you can learn from, because I've learned about this about 2 or 3 years ago. This has been with us. We've been doing this for the past 3 years, and it's what we call electric weatherproofing. You may say, what is that? Electric weatherproofing. Okay, the electric weatherproofing means for us is that we coat our boards, the main boards of the transmitters, with polymerase coat or material that will help you. How do you say it? Let's see. Like it would help give a longer life expectancy on the unit, or it would help the unit to work easier. I would say life expecting it would be longer. Okay, so basically how it works is I'm going to show you. This is the original board, one of the original boards in the transmitter. This is a 300 watt FM transmitter, by the way. So this is the one of the boards in the unit, and this is the other board in the unit. Okay, and this is how it comes from factory, and this is how we actually sell it at the end. And then, but we have this option that is the electric weatherproofing, and what it is, how it looks is this way. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see the difference. See, there's a difference. There's a difference. There's a difference. This is a transmitter that we're preparing right now, and this is under request. Okay, it's very important that you understand that this is done under request. This is a transmitter that is going to Venezuela, and it's going to be set up in the Caribbean. Venezuela has ocean. It's the Caribbean, and it's going to be set up at the beach. Let's put it that way. Okay, so they need to protect it from corrosion, from the salt, and all these little weather problems that we have everywhere, or at least in the coast, that creates corrosion and eats up the salt. Will eat up the boards and the unit. So this will help. So this is how it looks. See, here is with the polymer, and here is without it. So obviously the life expectancy of the unit, instead of being, let's say, for example, 10 years, it's going to be 15. I can't really tell you how long it's going to last. Like somebody was telling me now that, Maria, but we don't know how long it's going to last with the polymerase. Okay, fine. But let's say that it's going to last at least 3 or 4 more years. And this is an option that you can acquire and that you can ask for. With an additional payment, it will be done on your unit. Okay, this can be done to all the transmitters, FM and TV transmitters as well. So if you're interested, and if you're looking into getting units that are more protected from all these kind of weather problems that we have and the corrosion, this is a great option, and we Elettronika offer it. Remember, it's called electric weatherproofing. I hope you have a nice day. Take care. Any questions, just shoot the questions and we'll get back to you. Thank you.